coming to you guys. You see right here, up in this corner, right here. Jordan just announced their 33 brand Jordan. So I'm coming to you guys to tell my opinion and what I feel about it, and just basically just going through it and should I pick up. We're gonna talk about that. Leave a comment below. I'm a Jordan fanatic. I have a bookload of Jordans. I gave it to my son. Jordan flip flops. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's blending in, so Jordan flip flops. But let's get right to it, and let's get right to the Jordans 33s. Now, to me, straight off the back, these look dope. I like these straight off the back. It looked like it got a little bit, almost all the Jordan signatures all in one. Like in the bottom of the sole looked like Dwayne Wade's. You know, have you ever seen Dwayne Wade? He was in the lead. They look like Dwayne Wade's right there. But you know, these release, the original release is going to release this month. I mean, sometime this month. But you can read, oh, for $185, that's not bad for these shoes. It's gonna be at the Take Flight original colorways. You know what I mean? Let me see here. The brand. Let's see here. Now, these are the 18 Take Flight. You know what I mean? OGs. These look good. Look good. We're gonna look at the launch part, and I'm gonna go back. Go back to the. Oh, should bring up a code. My fault. Must be in the air. But you can just see the way the shoes look on feet here. Those look like, I mean, y'all tell me down in the comment below, like what you think they mixed of, like what brand you think these are. I mean, what you think these are mixed with. But I'm gonna tell you originally off the back, these look good. Don't get me wrong, the 31s and 32s was decent. I liked them. But these ones on foot and look way better. It looked like it got like some kind of string that you could tighten your shoe for the part of your front of your foot, the lock. I love the ankle support and also the two tabs in the back and the front. To pull up your shoes. To me, I would love to see different colorways of these. But these 33s look pretty dope. I'm gonna go back up, to slide through. But let's just see the bottom of these soles. Now, bottom of the soles, I feel like they, with these little bubbles, is going across. They clear, so you can't really see them that great. But I feel like these bubbles around here is going to give it grip. Because you see this at different angles. So, like, it might give you grip. But I'm definitely going to test these out myself and grab these because these look pretty dope. And like I'm liking what Jordan did with these ones. I'm glad like they did more. Let me see, design on it, like made it more pop, more this year. Cause like I said, 32s was all right. That's Victor Oladipo, and this is your girl right here, Amaya Moore. Their poster. My fault, little thing there. Now, these are the tech that goes in there, design. Like see these little part right here. These look like they use this format at the bottom of the shoe for the design, but this look like it's like a string to lock your shoe in to the midsole, the heel, not the heel, but the front of your foot. I don't know what to call it, but I'm just saying whatever. But the back of these look like the Jordan 5s, or 4s, 5 or 4s, with that tongue part. They look pretty good. I'm liking the style of it. So we're gonna go back up to the top, and we're gonna go through it here. Now, I know they probably did a press release of these shoes. I want to get a good thing to see what this to say right here. But if you look at this right here, it looked like something you could pull to keep your shoe tight and unloosen to get that front part of your foot loosened. Now, like I said before, the 31s These are the 29s, 30, 31, 32, 33. So from right here over, these ones was pretty decent. I sort of liked these. I loved these, but these two were just mainly like not really what I really was looking for to get. But these 33s look really decent. Like, y'all tell me in the comment below what you think about them. You know, out of the Jordan collections, like which one is your favorite Jordans in the collection? But I'm gonna tell you straight off the back. 12. These two right here that's lit up, those are my favorite. These three actually right here in a row. It's my favorite Jordans that I love to rock. I always love to get these three right here. These three right there. Those are my favorite Jordans. I grew up with these ones right here lit up, but in this row right here, that's mine. I like the 6 a little bit, but that's my part there. But you know, these Jordans, my opinion, look way better, and I think they got a lot of tech in it. So I'm actually gonna look a little bit more on the tech on it, read a little bit more on this. But I just wanted to get a quick video because I got the email and I was like, you know, I got to put a video up on these shoes because I'm a Jordan fanatic and I love shoes. I was going to, you know, put Jordans into this, you know, channel. I mean, not like shoes period in this channel, gaming, and also, you know, tech and cars, you know. So basically my hobbies are what I like. I'm just putting on this channel for now, you know what I mean? But these right off the back, these are dope. Now, I like these. Give me your opinion, which I don't like and which I do like. So those are Jordan. You know, okay, so they just give you the whole list of the Jordans down the line. But these right here are dope. These are dope. So since 85 to 2018, they've been making Jordans. Like, you know, from Jordan been popular, the collection. I'm going to see, I'm pretty sure they said the release date. Updates is the 20th, you know, so you normally could go to Nike.com / or Nike.news.com or just Nike News. You could probably see these shoes in there too, but I just wanted to just give my opinion, what I feel about the shoes, and what y'all think, because these right here look dope to me. I like them. I want to get them, you know, put them on feet, go to the court, use them. I'm a short guy, so, you know, like, I'm like a Russell Westbrook. It's like, I ain't even nowhere near that. But I'm somebody short, so these would be, like, perfect for me. I think big mans could wear these, too, because of the way the sole look. Like, I know ankles, support, all that look like it's like, on point. My fault, I'm getting all these alerts. But let me know. Leave a comment below what y'all think about these Jordans. I mean, these Jordan 33s. Like, I'm with it. Y'all want me to see like bodies, put these on foot, review, spam the like button, and we could do this. I have other Jordans I could pop, you know, like older style I could throw out there and, you know, put on here. I could start collecting these back again and start putting reviews out for you guys, seeing like the Jordans is out here. Maybe go to a Nike outlet, see what that's out there. Just basically let me know your thoughts, your comment, leave it below. But like I said before, I just wanted to get a quick video with these, but I'm gonna learn a little bit more. I'm gonna read a little bit more on this, see the tech and what's up with the soles and everything else. But this is just a quick video. Tell me what y'all thought. Y'all think? Y'all thoughts about them? Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.